if the peaks are systematic, pretty much systematic, you don't have to worry about anything because this is actually how the refrigerating unit works. However, then, as you can see, there were like smaller peaks all the time. So there were variations of temperature. And this is very important in terms of predictive maintenance because you can actually anticipate when the refrigerating unit breaks and is damaged. So here is the situation where you can actually anticipate that, okay, most probably within 2 or 3 days, I don't know, there will be something going on because the refrigerating unit didn't behave like this, didn't work like this in the past. That's the aspect that you should take a look at.
This is a good way to check based on something like this to set up the alerts.
Exactly.
Because we have peaks that are quite high, up to 2 degrees, that could already trigger a notification about the temperature beyond threshold. However, if we will just add the margin about some time during what the temperature is not correct, we could just get the correct alert about something wrong happening in the system, yeah?
Especially useful for instance, the services that take care of our refrigerating units, right? So you can share the data with them, or they can be your clients and they can take a look and they can supervise the refrigerating unit of their clients.